Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices steadied, buoyed by a dollar retreat, although expectations that the Federal Reserve will likely keep interest rates higher for longer after strong US data kept bullion near the 6-week low. The Australian and New Zealand dollars got a much-needed lift as a surprise policy easing in China revised hopes that meaningful stimulus was on the way, even as data from the Asian giant proved worryingly weak. Ex-crypto executive Sam Bankman-Fried secretly funneled more than $100 million stolen from his customers into the US political system to bend crypto legislation to his will, federal prosecutors said in a revised indictment.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US industrial production at 13:15 GMT. The Eurozone's employment change at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's core consumer price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT. Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.